Hello everyone, welcome to the PM channel. So, how are you all? Let's start with the latex software. In the last videos, there is a basic starting of a document is mentioned. So, let's move it forward. Okay, so that's the our document we have generated in our last video. If you don't know, then please watch it before starting this next video. So, starting of the document is done. Now after starting of document we also need it few other things also. There will be a title in the document also, and many other things will be, because the document just doesn't will be like a few lines itself, some title related to what, and many other things also need to mention. So let's do this. So, for the mentioning the title, first of all, we will start our title statement. Titles, as you have seen the line, what I had written is the an apple a day keeps a doctor away. So the title of the topic I'm writing is the apple, or in the other line you can say benefits of apple. Okay, so let's move forward. If as you can see, the many articles are written on the news and manywhere, and the PDF file as a so the no article is written without the name of the author. So there is a all mostly in the all the articles, all the documents, whatever the anyone returned, if it's original, then always there is a mention of the author name below the title. So now we are gonna mention it. Let's start. So author, that's the basic word is used for mentioning the author name, and in the brackets we will write the name. You can take any name, whatever you wanna. I'm taking some name. So the mostly it happens, the whenever the title is done, author name is mostly come, but the date, mentioning date is not necessary always, or you can say sometimes, because whenever you write application, there's a date is mentioned, or sometimes when we download any PDF file from anywhere, then there's a date and the timing is mentioned at the end, and in the top, at the header and the footer of the page. So instead of going on that footer header, here we are first learning to how to mention the dates just in our document. So let's mention date with using date word. So first of all, I'm gonna mention any date. You can also use a keyword such as today for your date, but and then you start the title making, so you also need to write the make title. So this is the title you are informing it. So make title, then that's all. Here we are, our file is generated, and That's not all. If you wanna mention not any date, if you wanna mention today and all that, then you will need to write slash today in your document. Okay. Instead of date, whatever you mention, in that place you need to mention it. As I had recorded this video in the starting of our March, so it's gonna generate, I think, date near to it. So that's how you're gonna create the title. When you run it, then it will generate a date. So in this way, the basic starting of a document and then how to enter the title, date, author name, all that you can do. Okay, thank you. That's all for today.